Right, welcome back to the shop. Those of you who've been watching me for a while will have seen me destroy one of these to make a power drawbar. It didn't work, so I'm going to rebuild the drill. Right, so this is it. It's a McAllister MSI D18Li. Right, now we've done that. Get rid of that. This is the power. Whoop, blimey. This is the power drawbar in question, and this is the bit out of the drill. I'm gonna. Am I going to throw this? No, I've spent too much time making it. I'm going to put it in the Hall of Shame, I think. So what I'm going to do is strip this off here, the motor and gearbox and impact system, and put it back in the drill housing. I kept all the bits. Me being me, thought, yeah, you never know, it might not work. It didn't, and here we are. So let's get on with it. Right, give myself some space. Don't need the drill or batteries. Don't need the case. Don't need the housing. Don't need the bits. That's scrap. Right, let's start by getting the connections off. Right, there we go, scrap. Hall of Shame. Don't think these clevis pins are part of it. Get rid of those. Casing. I need a small Allen key to get those off. I'll get that. 1.5mm it is. Right, Hall of Shame. Thought that was going to go badly. Right. Clamshell. They both look pretty identical. This one's got a piece here, so we'll use that as the base. Actually, I can't solder the wires on when I'm this way up, so we'll use the other side. There we go. This changes direction. Make sure I get it in the right way. Woohoo. Right, that stands a chance of working. I'm a ball bearing short. Right, after a good deal of hunting around, I've got a ball bearing that's not quite right, but close enough. There we go. A little bit of old grease to hopefully hold them in place. Probably that. Then the spring. And then the release mechanism. Is that right? Yep, that is right. Right, so looking at it, I know, I'll have a look at the manual. Manual is useless, no information in that whatsoever. I think this is correct. So there's a washer, a spring, and then the release mechanism. There we go, and over the end of that goes a little snap ring. Change of plan, I've just realised I've got this backwards. So I'll have to take that snap ring off, which I seem to remember being a pain in the butt last time. Spot on. Put the rest of the screws back in and we'll give the old girl a go. Right, let's put some screws in. Thanks for watching. No one's more surprised than me than this thing still works. But there you go. How to buy a cheap drill, destroy it, then rebuild it. It wasn't right for my power drawbar, but hey, I'll find a use for it somewhere. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell and subscribe banner, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.